What is up, guys? Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how to add a personal blog to your Facebook page. First, open your Facebook app. Next, click the three lines icon at the top right. And then after that, tap on the Pages tab. This will display all the pages you manage. To add a blog page, tap on Create at the top. Then tap on Get Started. Give your blog a name of your choice and press Next. Select a category that relates to your blog, then click Create. You can add a bio to describe your blog or skip this step. You can also add a profile picture or skip it. And there you go. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.